Ready for a quick video? Hope you are. This is the 1.1, the ready and the go. The ready is pretty simple. It says use a distributor property. I'm going to show you one of the hardest ones, and if I show you that, you should be able to do the easy ones because it's distribute here, distribute here. Number 5 is not on my paper here, but number 5 is in your book, and that is 12x plus 18. And I'll just go ahead and start with that one. Key thing here, multiply numbers by numbers, letters by letters. So what I would do is show my work here, times 12. You can do one of two things. You can either multiply straight across, 2 times 12 is 24, and then divide that by 3, which 8 times 3 is 24. So 2/3 of 12 is 8, x times x is x squared. There you go. And I would do the same thing with 2/3 times 8, which is what you're going to have to do. 8 times 2 is 16. Will 3 go into, excuse me, that's 18, not 16. Well, 2 goes into 18, that's going to give you 36, and then you would have to end up dividing that by 3, which is going to be 12, so that's plus 12x. Another way you could do this is cross cancel here, so you get 4 times 2, which is 8, and then that would be very helpful here. You get 2 times 6, which is 12, so you could do it either way. But just remember, multiply numbers by numbers, letters by letters. And then lastly here, rates of change. How do you determine rates of change? From a graph, it's rise over run. All right, so that'll help you with 11, 12, even 15. From a table, rate of change is first and second differences. So 65 to 68 plus 3. That's how you're going to look at that one. Make sure you show all your work for that one. Same thing here, rate of change, even though the table's horizontal. And then what about 14? Well, 14 you have to look at it and see what form is it. Is it in explicit or recursive? 16, you have 2 points. How do I determine the rate of change between 2 points? Here's x. What is the rate of change there? That's the run, remember? And then you have y. That is the rise. So what is the rate of change from negative 16 to positive 12? What is that rate of change? All right. So y divided by x. So you have to figure out what that rate of change is. All right. And then you'll do the same thing with 19. Picture 19 just like you did the previous problem where you have an input and an output. So think of those as x's and think of these as y's. Think of it that way. All right. So there's your quick video.